Hey guys, right here. So today we are doing a recovery for a Ford F550, and I think I showed you the video before. If not, I'll just put a link over here, somewhere on top. However, we are in the middle of getting the tires that we need to do the recovery, and we got another call, so we're gonna go to Redlands now, and we're gonna be recovering a utility bucket truck. It's supposed to be stuck in mud, and so we're gonna be pulling it out. So we're gonna be doing that first, and then we're gonna go back to the F550. So anyway, once I get there, to the utility bucket truck, I keep recording. All right, we're here in Live Oak Canyon. This is where the pumpkin patch happens every year. So we're heading, what is that? South? Yeah, I think we're heading south. Anyway, we're almost there. Okay, we're here. Let's see. Just check it out. It looks like a nice, little ranch in here. Look at that. Nice and green. Okay, we're waiting for access. What's up, brother?
How's it going?
Oh, that shouldn't be hard at all, I don't think. It's just stuck on the wheel. It's like sideways, like lump to one side. I think it's the rear passenger tire. I could be wrong, but that's what it looks like. Dang. Whoa.
Well, they're gonna have
Yeah, see, it's like really soft. Look at
there's
that.
cow pies here too.
I'm sure. Watch out for the landmines, they said. Alright, we're gonna give it a try by just pulling it. We got the dually here. Hopefully we'll be able to just tie it up and pull it right out. So we'll see right now. We'll decide exactly what we're gonna be doing.
Hay que amarrarlo porque no tengo las llaves para eso. No digo, entonces sacamos. Oh. Una o dos. Échame la por favor.
the utility truck plus the wood chipper end up being too heavy. Check it out. I'm standing on mud, on wet ground. So we'll see how it goes. Wish us luck.
Tripling it up.
Okay. Being this our first utility bucket recovery, you know, it turned out to be a learning curve for us.
Yeah, we don't.
We decided to remove the wood chipper to make it lighter, so we would be able to pull it out. So it was hitting right there, so we couldn't like raise it up more, but then I still, you know, pumped it and kind of came out. So there it is.
All right, you're good to go.
Mine. Yeah.
Oh, shit. Okay.
Let me move it. Let me park over there.
All right, let's keep on doing. Keep on going. Ready?
All right. There you go. Straight back. Straight back. Fish on. Good.
Ahí está. Perfect. Look at that.
Nice.
Off a little hole.
All right.
Yeah, slowly.
All right.
Yeah. There you go. With the wood chipper out of the way, we decided to pull it backwards. Give it gas, give it gas, give it gas. Give it gas. Okay, hold on. Aguanta, güey. Ahorita en esta sí sale. Nada más que no queríamos escarbarle porque es que
Sí, no,
se
pues.
pone delicado y pues... Okay, ready? Go! There it is. There it is.
Yeah, you're good right there.
See? We didn't want to dig the first time because the owner, you know, he was a little bit touchy about the grass because his cows, they feed here. So he wasn't like too happy about, you know, the holes and whatnot. So that's why we didn't want to dig in the first place. But then the owner gave us permission to do it. And that's how, you know, we got it out. So now we're kind of putting the dirt back in place. And, you know, we're good to go. We could have done this from the beginning, but we didn't want to damage it anymore. So, but we got permission, so we're good. All right, guys. So again, thank you guys for watching our videos, and we'll see you on the F550 recovery, which is still coming. All right.